Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're gonna keep it short. We are already checking out the app here. This is how you set it up. So you just go into Smart Life, then you search for light bulbs, turn on your Bluetooth function, and then you can add the light bulb. And it is a smart one. You can definitely control it over your smart home devices then, which is quite nice and easy to handle. Just enter all the information. So I have to blur or block that. So give me a second until I'm done putting in all the information that is needed to get the whole thing to work. But as soon as you're done, it will start connecting. As you see, it starts buffering. That's taking like maybe a minute or so, probably less. And I will speed the process up here. We're not gonna watch the whole percent bar go through here in real time. And as you see, check, now we're done. And now you can actually give it a name if that's something you want to do, and then you can start controlling that. We will certainly do that because we have it in our little Christmas star, and we want to control it by just saying star. So hit control, yeah, ready, and then it's gonna boot up again. And then it is in here. You can control it in the app, or you can actually like use your smart home devices and say what you want it to happen. There's color and white light. So everything you need, and also some effects. I have a feeling they don't work perfectly, but they are fine. Check them out, and you also can let the bulb react to sound, and yeah, maybe that's something you're looking for. So it's gonna be it, guys, and check it out yourself. This is the star, as I said, looking good. I'm liking it. There's different colors, and